I think today's market, for the most part, is a reflection of two things. I think it's unpublished in our industry in terms of the realities of the marketplace. See, if you're an investor in stocks, right, you know where to go to get your information. In our industry, you usually get your information from your broker. The information's not as accessible, and what you're seeing is unpublished and also unregulated. So landlords are setting the market. The brokers that represent them are carrying out that message, which is supply is increasing at the highest level we've seen it, and demand is shrinking. And the reflection in the overall terms of your lease should acknowledge that.
Tenants are paying more than they should. They're also renting longer than they should. The proof is in actual facts. 30% of the people that are coming in today may go to 50%, but it's not going to go to 100%. The price for that should be commensurate. Office pricing is 20% higher than it should be.
Most brokers are not finding the bottom for their tenants. They're accepting the asking rate as a starting place. And when you do that, the tenant sometimes is misled into thinking if you did a little bit better than the asking rate, what a great deal they got. And you have to find the bottom that manages down cost to a net effective place that's way below what the asking rates are telling you that the market is.
What we're seeing a lot and what's being promoted a lot is companies gobbling up space. You're seeing the large institutional companies, Fortune 500s, that are continuing to take more space. We are seeing companies doing the opposite. Where we adversely look at that is showing how companies bring value to the asset itself and utilizing that as a basis for where we start negotiations in terms of rental rate and other concessions.
I have never seen a better opportunity for occupiers to be in the buildings they want to be in at prices they can't believe they can get, but can get.
And it's really important right now to not take the traditional terms of, hey, if you do a 5-year lease, you get 5 months free. We're doing projects now where a 5-year lease is getting 12 months free and a 7-year lease is getting 18 months free. And that's a big difference between where we were 2 years ago and where you should be right now.